Welcome again to the YouTube channel for the website FleetTrucksUSA.com, where we offer the nation's absolute finest commercial utility trucks, cargo vans, work truck F-150s, and every once and again we get a beautiful gem like this. This is a crew cab 2010 Ford F-150. It features the 4.6 liter V8. It is in showroom condition, even though it does have a lot of California highway miles on it. You can go to our website 24/7, anytime. We have no business hours, no salespeople, and our inventory is kept current constantly. All of our sales are by appointment and through our website. We try to do these videos on each and every one of the vehicles in our inventory. Our website has 60 to 100 high-definition pictures of each vehicle that we're selling. Most of our vehicles come with a 90-day, 4,500-mile warranty. Depending on the vehicle, year, miles, will determine the level of coverage. Contact us for details on that. Let's get right into this beauty. It has a tonneau cover in the back, which I will show you just momentarily. Excellent set of tires, alloy wheels, chrome front end, chrome rear bumper and front bumper. Beautiful interior. I just love this tri-tone interior. Power windows, power locks, CD player, auxiliary port, high quality cloth, plush, unworn seats, never smoked in, no odors whatsoever, no cracks in the dash, no tears in the headliner. Nice full-size back seat there. It folds up. It's a 60-40 split bench, so if you want to put tools or supplies inside, you just flip the rear benches up accordingly. It's a super stunning truck. Every now and again we find a vehicle like this that's been kept in the wrapper by the previous owner, and you just know that if they're kept like this physically, mechanically, they're also dialed. This tonneau cover does have the keys with it. It has two locks on the top that you unlock. I currently have it unlocked, so I can just pop it right open for you. The gas struts take you right up. This is a high quality snug top tonneau cover, carpeted on the top. You've got a beautiful liner here. What a nice truck. Obviously that is a short bed. And you just pull this down. This gives you a little leverage to pull it down. So even if you're short like me, you can get it right down. Driver's side is just as clean as the passenger side. A continuation of the alloy wheels. And you can tell by the lack of wear everywhere that it was garage kept, that it was responsibly operated. There's no signs of wear in the driver's area. Just a really nice truck. The 4.6 liter V8 has been in service since '97. Very reliable, powerful V8. This is just a perfect truck. You got your keyless entry. It does have a cruise control right here on the steering wheel. Ice cold air and hot heat. You can hear that 4.6 liter start right up. Let's rev it just a bit so you can hear it. Pop it into drive. Goes right into drive. Pop it into reverse. We go through these vehicles with a fine-tooth comb, physically and mechanically, to make sure that every one of our customers is going to want to come back for more. Let's do a little recap as to why you want this truck. Crew cab, like new, price point, loaded up beauty. 4.6 liter, inexpensive to keep on the road. Repairs on a truck like this are nominal. We load test all of our batteries, change all of the fluids, and we make sure that you are 100% turnkey from the moment you drive away. Beautiful engine compartment. No matter where you are in the nation, Whether you're up in Montana, Idaho, South Dakota, Florida, it doesn't matter. You can have one of our vehicles shipped right to your front door. Just go to our website, you can read about it, you can get a quote right through a link on our website, montway.com. Shipping is generally very quick in 2020. Everything that we do is 2020 and beyond. Our streamlined situation allows us to get the docs signed right through the internet, and we just overnight you your title as soon as your funds hit. Or you can fly here to beautiful Las Vegas, where we're located just minutes from the Las Vegas airport. We will bring you here to our facility, sell you the vehicle or vehicles that you've selected, and then we'll treat you just 1 mile away on the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. On our website, you will see that we have financing for commercial business owners. If you have an EIN number, very likely you'll be able to get the funds for one or multiple vehicles from the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. If you are a private party, you will have to come up with your own funding for this truck. Our lenders are strictly for commercial business owners. Go to the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. You will be absolutely stunned by the condition of each and every one of the vehicles that we offer. We truly are that selective. So as you're looking through them, you can even go to our recently solds and see the level of standards that we have 100% of the time. My name is Bianca. I'm thrilled to be able to offer such a high quality product to each and every one of my customers, and for it I'm rewarded with over 65% return customers. I love that. It's a big compliment every time we get someone back. I hope that you get to purchase your next commercial vehicle from the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. I thank you for watching.